thing sure gets a lot of water in it.
Huh?
Sure gets a lot of water in it.
I don't know if I can do this, Ernie.
Just be patient. You'll be all right, man. This ain't nothing but a thing. You just like you're talking to me. You want me to get back there?
No.
Hold on a minute.
No. Now this feller's coming. I can't do it.
Are you cranking now?
No. They're in that red box.
Did you turn them off?
I didn't do nothing. Eat him. Yeah, boy. God, he ain't no monster, but
Here, fishy, fishy, fish. You gotta wear the right colors, my brother.
I guess so. Orange isn't it, is it?
Fishy, look where that baby's hooked.
Right in the lip.
Had a good teacher.
A minute. Come on, get it. Get it.
Mess up?
They just never got it. Hit it twice. Well, this fella. No, I wasn't everywhere near the bottom. I just missed a fish, Ernie. There he is. I got him. I'll boat flip him. He ain't big.
Pretty good. Pretty good. Fine. Right.
Huh?
Fine. You want a picture?
Nah. Anyway, pound and a quarter. He ain't bad.
He ain't bad. He's pretty good though. He's fat, ain't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Third one for the day.
Your boy.
Dale Hollow Lake. It does have a few large ones.
Look how fat that fish is.
He is. I told you he was pretty fat.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yes, sir. He'll weigh. He's a good fish. Dale Hollow Lake. Old fart fishing. Wearing the bright orange.
What you got? V-net. He's a browning too, isn't he? I know. Ooh. Oh, look at there. Get him out of there.
First one for the year. On my A-rig. Hey, dude. What do you think about me now? Oh, wow.
Yeah, he's a good one.
He's a good one. Still all late. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Hey, dude, he's a good fish.
Yeah. Let me get a picture of you.
I'm dripping on everything.
That's okay. It's a boat. All right.
Good fish, too, boy.
He's thick.
He's good. Look at that belly.
I know it's hung behind a rock. Me snapping this ain't gonna do nothing. No, I get it. Hey, you better not have. There it come loose. I just had to get on the back side of it. Huh? Well, I mean, you catch a fish. I ain't got time to fool with you at the moment. I was having to get unhung. Get him? Get the net. You need it? Let me get the net. I'll guarantee you that's a little brown one. He ain't that good.
Got me a brown fish, didn't it? You won't believe what I've done. Look at my jig.
You put it on a snap?
Well,
jeez. Like one of them kids that bait their bluegill pole with.
Dude, do I have a fish on my pole? How many fish have I put in the boat with a snap on my hook? Huh?
Here, get your picture. Hush.
Yeah, right. Snap ain't what freaks me out. It's the color.
What? A green? What? That orange look? No, it's green pumpkin.
That's what I stolen. I threw this right behind it.
Let me unhook that for you. Huh? I will if you want me to.
Why can't I do it?
He pretty.
Hey.
Pretty little fella.
It's a brown fish. That's what I was fishing.
It is. Told you.
Yeah, on it.
They're in there. This is just one of those spots.
I went to go back.
Oh, yes. Look at that.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Easy.
Now, there's a...
Oh, man. I was going back through that box and I thought, well, look at that. It's a green pumpkin. So I just flipped. I use them on all my crankbaits, so if I want to change, I would change.
Yeah.
So I'll just take that, put that on. And I throwed that thing, and I throwed that thing, and then I throwed this one. First cast.
You won't pick that one back up, will you?
What'd you have in your hand? I almost didn't tell you. What'd you hand me to begin with?
Green pumpkin.
Green
Huh? Those are ducks. Those are actually ducks. Yeah, those are ducks. I don't know what kind they are. They've got red heads on them. Don't see that very often on this lake.